Hey, um, I got the shelves up. Well, one of them. I actually got two more 20 plus foot uprights, and I still have, I think, 6 more shelves. Yeah, 6 for, two beams for each shelf. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I still got a lot to organize. A whole shelf dedicated just for carburetors. I've got fans. I've got electric fans. I got way too much stuff, and that's not even including the transmissions. So I got a lot of work ahead of me, and I'm gonna have to find out a way to get to the top shelf, because climbing a ladder with some of that stuff, it ain't cutting it anymore. So that's what I've been doing. I've been organizing the garage and getting the shelves in order. And I thought it'd be easy. It ain't easy, because let me tell you, when you start putting stuff on the shelf and you got to climb ladders, you start rethinking where you're going to put stuff and how often you use it. So all that is going to go on a shelf, all of it. I don't want anything against the wall except for toolboxes, safes, filing cabinets. I want everything dedicated to a shelf. So lots of organizing, lots of cleaning, and that's what I've been doing. So this is my video of the day. See ya.